English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 21.
I founded Transtech in 1996.
At first, we only had 5 employees. We launched a new range of laptops last year. 10 years ago, we opened a new flagship store. We recently merged with Alpha Electrics.
At first, we only sold products in-store, but now we sell online. We opened our 10th store 2 months ago. The company recently merged with one of its competitors. Jane Hunt opened the first Hunt bag store in 1995. A new CEO started working here last year.
Hi, everyone. Okay, I'm here today to tell you a bit about our company history. Bryar Wilson started out in the UK as a small company called Bryar Styling. Bryar Styling was founded by Brian and Sarah Patterson in 1984. They opened a small salon in a town about 100 miles from London. At first, business was quite slow, and the salon was often empty. Brian and Sarah were the only 2 people cutting and styling hair, and often worked very long hours. However, their reputation grew, and the salon became much busier. They opened a second hair salon in London in 1988. This was risky because the costs were very high. They decided to move into selling hair care products. 5 years later, they launched their hair product range. By 1995, they were stylists for many top celebrities. These celebrities also used the hair care products, and the products became very popular. Last year, Bryar Styling merged with our beauty product company, Wilson's. Now, Bryar Wilson is the biggest joint hair and beauty product company in the country.
Ice cream sales increased over the summer. Ice cream sales went up over the summer. Ice cream sales rose over the summer. House prices stayed the same during the last quarter. House prices remained steady during the last quarter. House prices stabilized during the last quarter. Demand for new cars decreased last year. Demand for new cars went down last year. Demand for new cars fell last year.
Visitor numbers at the luxury hotel fell by 20% last year. The number of people going to festivals went up last year. Fortunately, the cost of fuel for transportation stabilized recently. In the really wet summer of 2010, sales of umbrellas rose a lot. The number of people downloading music stayed the same last month. The number of students earning MBAs remained steady last year.
Our sales figures went up in 2011, but fell in 2012. At first, the value of the company stayed the same. Marketing costs increased, and sales also rose. Last summer, umbrella sales increased because it was rainy. The number of customers decreased, but profits went up. 2 years ago, we launched an online delivery service, and our sales rose.
End of Lesson 21.